value continues to increase in complexity and is driven more than ever by digital transformations. The result is a growing emphasis on dependency management and coordination, but that'll only get you so far. Does this sound familiar? It takes too long to get anything done. We have so much work in progress, we're just firefighting. No one has any visibility into what teams are doing. Or the time to feedback is so long, we often have missed expectations and rework. As organizations realize the benefits of improving their value streams, PMOs and project professionals need to pivot from focusing on the project or scope to the value delivered. If you are a project or program manager, part of the leadership team, product manager or product owner, or a stakeholder, this workshop will introduce you to value stream management principles, strategies, and practices. You'll learn the foundations of a crucial emerging skill set that leverages your existing skills and experience to focus on improving the flow of value delivered to customers, whether internal or external. Join us for this workshop and begin your learning journey to improve the flow of value to customers and be a catalyst for an emerging path for project professionals and leadership.